Shifting focus to now the controversy that's brewing, which has erupted over Khadi Udyog's official calendar and diary for 2017. On the controversial cover, Prime Minister Modi can be seen weaving Khadi on a charkha. What has also caused a furore is the omission of Mahatma Gandhi's image. Gandhiji championed Khadi as a symbol of Indian self-reliance and protest against the British. Mahatma's descendant Tushar Gandhi and the Congress have labelled it as a photo, a brazen one, by the Prime Minister.
Bapu and his charkha stood for the freedom movement, and the charkha became a very potent weapon in the battle for freedom, the non-violent battle for freedom. The recent pose by the Prime Minister, the charkha is a mere photographic prop. It doesn't have any meaning to it because Bapu used to spin his own cloths. And I don't think the $1 million suit textile was spun on a charkha.
Right. Prime Minister has proved his self-obsession, an obsession with personal promotion. It's a sacrilegious sin. It's highly condemnable. Prime Minister will now attack father of nation also, to become bigger than him. Prime Minister Modi must apologize and sack the person who has done this, who has committed this sacrilege.
10 वर्षों तक तो ऐसी भी सरकार थी, तो सच बात है गांधी जी की फोटो से बहुत प्यार करती थी, मगर वो जेब में रखने वाली फोटो होती थी। गांधी जी स्वच्छता पसंद थे। स्वच्छता के लिए गांधी जी के मन में जिस प्रकार की वेदना थी, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने लाल किले से घोषणा किया कि टॉयलेट बनना चाहिए, शौचालय बनना चाहिए.
So BJP on the defensive there. Now let's also tell our viewers that it's not the first time that Mahatma Gandhi's photograph has not been used in the Khadi Gram Udyog's calendar or a diary. It's happened in the past, in 1996, in 2002, 2005, 2011, 2012 and 2013. At least 5 times where Mahatma Gandhi's photo has not been used by KVIC in their printing material. But what's raking up the controversy is the pose in which the Prime Minister has been clicked in the diary and the calendar, which is with a charkha, which the Congress claims is only Mahatma Gandhi's legacy, which is being replicated and overshadowed by the Prime Minister. BJP has completely rubbished the charges, saying that it's being done to promote the image of Khadi. The Prime Minister being the ambassador of Khadi, there is nothing wrong in using his picture in the calendar. My colleague Brijesh joining us on the story. So Brijesh, the BJP on the defensive, but what's the controversy is on the pose that the Prime Minister has chosen to be clicked on, which is quite similar to Mahatma Gandhi's iconic charkha pose.
Well, I mean, I think the BJP did not had thought that this will snowball into such a huge controversy. The party is saying that that certain vested interests are trying to stoke controversy where none exist, and they are saying that that this is not the first time when the photograph of Mahatma Gandhi was printed on KVIC material, and they even went on to say that Prime Minister is such an ardent supporter of brand Khadi that ever since he has taken over in the 2.5 years, he has increased the percentage of Khadi usage from 2% to 34%, whereas in the first 50 years of Congress rule, the percentage nearly wavered from 2% to 7%. So they are saying that that there's an attempt by the opposition to create a controversy, but there is nowhere in the law of KVIC it is written that the Prime Minister photo cannot be put on there. So they are saying that it's a needless controversy,
and it doesn't even,
the opposition should not do controversy.
And Brijesh, I just want to bring in one point. As you're saying, there is no rule book which says whose picture should be put in, whether it should be Mahatma Gandhi, whether it should be the Prime Minister. But is also Congress late in realizing the opportunity to attack the centre? Because in 2016 as well, you had a calendar where the Prime Minister's picture was used and Mahatma Gandhi's picture was not used in the KVIC printing material.
Well, Devina, I think, one thing explains everything is the fact that, in the less than 20-25 days, we are going to polls in 5 states, and there are crucial states like Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand and others. So definitely any attempt to gain political or get
Yes.
political mileage the opposition will not let it go, and this is the reason why we saw such a vociferous opposition to the publishing of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's photograph on that. As the timing of all this controversy is very significant, and the fact that we are going to poll in 5 crucial states really tell the real story about how all this controversy over printing of Prime Minister Narendra Modi photo over KVIC material.
And
Devina?
Brijesh, that's also speaking volumes of the frivolous charges that assembly polls would see, and the frivolous counterclaims and claims, and the battle that's going to be played out in these 5 states if this becomes a poll issue. Thanks for joining us for First up, the news that's just coming in. Congress has hit out at the Prime Minister over the controversy of his image being printed on the KVIC calendar and diary. They have hit out at the post that the Prime Minister has been clicked on, where he is pinning the charkha, saying it's reminiscent of Mahatma Gandhi. It's a photo of opportunity by the Prime Minister. Take a listen.
रहे हैं, चलिए आप उनका प्रकाशित न करें, कुछ वर्षों के लिए कभी चरखा कर दें, कभी आम आदमी को कर दें, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होगा। जो आज तक नहीं हुआ वो होगा। 2017 में गांधी जी की अदला बदली कर दी है मोदी जी ने। गांधी जी के जगह मोदी जी आ गए हैं। मोदी जी अपने आप को पहले तो पटेल भी समझते थे, अब वो अपने आप को गांधी भी समझते हैं। ये अलग बात है कि भारत की जीएनपी में एक व्यक्ति के बारे में वो काफी अपमानजनक बातें कहते रहते, इसलिए उन्होंने अभी तक उनका रोल अपनाया नहीं है, नेहरू जी का। लेकिन एक तरफ तो आरएसएस ने विचारधारा के आधार पर हत्या कर दी गांधी की, और दूसरी तरफ आज स्वयं प्रेम, स्वयं आसक्ति और स्वयं प्रचार के आधार पर मोदी जी ने अदला बदली कर दी, उनको हटा दिया, खुद को छाप दिया ऊपर हर कैलेंडर, हर डायरी में। एक और मिथ्या प्रचार करके इस बात को मैं छोड़ूं, यह मिथ्या प्रचार किया जा रहा है परोक्ष रूप से सरकार द्वारा। सीधा नहीं बोल रही सरकार, कोई जवाब नहीं आया है। आप लोगों के जरिए परोक्ष बार कि उन डायरियों कैलेंडरों में गांधी जी नहीं थे कुछ वर्षों में, बात सही है, लेकिन ये मूल बात नहीं है, मिथ्या प्रचार है, बरगलाने की प्रक्रिया है। उन सालों में कभी चरखा था, कभी आम आदमी था, कभी हल था, कुछ था, लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री उस वक्त के या राष्ट्रपति उस वक्त के नहीं आए थे उसमें। यह प्रादुर्भाव प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का इस बार पहली बार हुआ है। इसका जवाब कोई नहीं दे रहा है आपको। इसके अलावा जो उस इंफॉर्मेशन कमिश्नर का हटाया गया, यह भी कोई नई बात नहीं है। हमने पहले आपको इस जगह से कई बार अवगत करवाया है। मैं सिर्फ संक्षेप में आपको सिर्फ याद दिला रहा हूं पुरानी बातें। आपको याद है केंद्र के गृह मंत्रालय के सचिव, सबसे बड़ा पद होता है, एलसी गोयल का क्या हुआ था हश्र। पटेल जी की इतनी नाम लेते हैं मोदी जी, लेकिन जो पटेल साहब ने कहा था, सरदार पटेल ने कहा था, आई कोट, इफ यू डू नॉट गिव योर ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन फॉर द फियर दैट इट विल डिस्प्लीज योर मिनिस्टर, प्लीज देन यू वुड बेटर गो, आई विल गेट अनदर सेक्रेटरी, इज व्हाट ही टोल्ड द ब्यूरोक्रेट्स। आज अगर आप सरदार पटेल के सुझाव का पालन करेंगे तो आपका हश्र ये होगा, वो नहीं जो पटेल साहब ने कहा था। हमने आपको जून 2015 का आंकड़ा दिया था, एक वर्ष में 550 नई स्थानांतरण और पोस्टिंग्स की थी मोदी सरकार ने 14 और 15 के बीच में, और 550 में से सबसे अधिकतम थी ज्वाइंट सेक्रेटरी और एडिशनल सेक्रेटरी लेवल पे और नीचे।
10 वर्षों तक तो ऐसी भी सरकार थी, तो सच बात है गांधी जी की फोटो से बहुत प्यार करती थी, मगर वो जेब में रखने वाली फोटो होती थी। गांधी जी स्वच्छता पसंद थे। स्वच्छता के लिए गांधी जी के मन में जिस प्रकार की वेदना थी, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने लाल किले से घोषणा किया कि टॉयलेट बनना चाहिए, शौचालय बनना चाहिए।